So we wanted to introduce you to my father, Mr. JP John Sherwin.
Good morning. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. Don't you just love the sun coming down on you? Look at that, it's coming right in to the solar oven here. Beautiful. This looks great.
We woke up on a cool
What I
morning.
really love is this device right here. Really, you got the red dot and the shadow right in the middle. It tells you exactly the perfect position for the sun. It is so good. It smells good, making me hungry. But gotta get to my ball game.
I took the chance to prep some food for the day to make my job super easy. Okay, so today I'm making burritos. Those are going in. I'm at a softball game with my father.
Hitting the ball well, but they're hitting it a little better.
Go! Oh! Ripping it home! Go! Absolutely crushing it.
Go!
We just had a 5-run inning.
Yeah, buddy, come on. Way to go, Clark. Way to go, buddy.
Nice, Steve.
A big fire is sending plumes of smoke into the field, but that didn't slow down our smoke and fuel-free solar oven. Well, we lost the game after all, but that didn't really matter. It's just a great excuse to get together, to be down here with my parents, hanging out in the Florida sun.
It's really good.
After the game, we hung out in the bleachers and enjoyed the burritos, and then it was time to go and check in on dinner.
And there's no one there to raise them.
Dinner was looking good, but I tried to throw in a little snack, and it burnt to a crisp in the sport. Way too much sun.
Bubbling happiness in there. We're just gonna let that kind of slow roast today, and then I'm also about to toss in an apple pie. So we're going full on. Go big or go home, folks. Okay, I'm sitting here and absorbing the last couple hours of sunlight, and I have a question of how much sun is left in the day. So I've got a little trick for you. I'm gonna put my arm out as far as I can and then run my fingers at a 90 degrees. Each finger represents 15 degrees. So there's an hour, there's another hour, and there's almost a third hour before I hit this horizon here. So again, each finger being about 15 degrees, and that's 1 hour, 2 hours, and I've got 3 hours before sundown. It's 4 o'clock, the sun sets at around 7, so that's pretty accurate. The showing on this beach is amazing. So I took some time to take a swim, to smell the roses, and get back just in time for happy hour, while dinner was already made. The smoke from the fires had clouded the sun a bit, made for a beautiful sunset, but it slowed the apple pie so it wasn't super crispy. The chicken, however, was totally done along with the potatoes.